Well, good morning. Still working on the Willys wagon. We made some progress. We filled the cooling system yesterday, tried to bleed it. There's a leak somewhere. I don't think it's my new heater connections, but that's the logical choice. Yeah, we're going to try and fill the fuel tank, but because it's so close to the wall, it's a challenge. I've got some ethanol-free gas that I want to put in. We're going to try and put 5 gallons worth of gas into that new tank. I did have a leak on the filler tube, but managed to tighten the clamps down and get rid of it. It's running, making a terrible clack noise. It's idling. So far nothing's exploded. The wheels turn, at least the rear wheels do. For some reason, my repair on the hubs has made them really stiff. I think it's just the water pump. But I don't know. Theoretically, the hubs are engaged. I do believe we're going to call that a full success, with the exception of ripping my pants on the seat. No, the ignition switch has decided to give me some trouble, so we're going to call this done for now.